It does damage, but I think it's just a taunt, honestly. It doesn't seem like it does a lot. It'd be kind of cool. It'd be like Devil May Cry, where if you kill an enemy with a taunt, it gives you like double points or something. But, eh. So, where am I? I feel like I've already been this way. No, I've not been this. I've been this way. Yeah, it's the camp. And then down here was nothing. I guess technically it would be the left way. You know, there's a dedicated taunt button. Listen. Surely there's some use for it besides style. Ah, new power. Nice. If you're wondering what button it is, it's the camera button. Whatever you use to move the camera up and down, just click it. Ah, yeah, we got the dash, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. What's this fuck? Oh shit. I feel like I want to change the button to L1.